You just got your lace front bang wig and it might not be looking quite like what you expected, so let's fix it together with heat. You could do this either on your head or off your head, but as we all remember back in the day, curling bangs and that forehead burn is a real thing, so I really recommend working off of your head. So this is Butterfly. She's so beautiful, one of my favorite styles. I think that this is one of those styles that is so hard to emulate with real hair, and in crown form, it's just so perfect. I really love this Revlon tool because specifically with synthetic wigs, when you're working with heat, it's all about cooling into a new form because you're really changing it. So keep that in mind. Like if you were to go straighten something and think like, oh, I'll just wash it and it'll become curly again, that's not the case. You're literally changing this, so it needs to cool into a new shape. And that's what I love about this, because it kind of doubles as a blow dryer to cool it back down. It's going to get loud. So I'm going to part out the bangs here, get them in my barrel. Sometimes with bang crowns, it's just hard because with heat and travel and being compressed, sometimes they get a little crazy looking. So it's not just you. Because this is going to blow air, I want to actually get it in to the barrel first, and then I'm going to turn it on. So I'm going to put it on medium heat and then cool. It's very enticing to touch it, but I'm going to let it cool in that form, and then I'm going to bring it down a little bit. But this is giving us that perfect round shape again. A big reason as to why we want it to cool into this shape is that because this is a synthetic wig, this curl is built in. So by changing this shape, I really want to lock it in, so you want to let it get cold. Now I'm just going to kind of chill her out a little bit. If you feel like it's a little bit too bouncy right here, what I can do is just turn this back on to that medium setting and just kind of press it down, or use a hot comb. She looks so cute and much more uniform. And here she is on, looking perfect.